Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the Scarlett Solo audio interface, this beauty here. Really excited to talk about what this is in the video and also show you what comes inside the box. If you recall from my last video, which I'll put up on the screen, I had a different one before, didn't quite work out for me. So I went with the top rated one on Amazon, which is always a good choice. I can't remember what I paid for it, but I'll put the link in the description of this video. Now, if you're new to this channel, hello, my name's Andrea Jones. I'm all about building profitable communities online through simple social media solutions. And then in videos like this one, I also like to show you the tech behind the scenes that keeps the show running. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open this up and tell you a little bit about it. So this one is perfect if you're a solo podcaster. It comes with one mic input, but you can definitely have more. And right away inside of the box, it looks very nice, red color. And you can see that on the top here, they've got some instructions for getting started, which was missing in my last one. And I have a Mac too as well. So sometimes with Macs, things can be a little bit wonky getting connected. The other thing that I ended up purchasing with this was a XLR cable. So you'll want to have one of these if you have a mic that is not just a USB microphone. And I got the male to female one. I read online that these are the best options, so this is what was missing in my last unboxing, so I got one of those as well. Now, just a quick note about this, like I said, it does have one microphone input, but if you've got multiple people on your show, they actually have the same model with multiple options for multiple mic inputs, okay? So you can actually upgrade your audio interface to have multiple inputs. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. Also, if you play guitar or if you have a musical instrument like that, you can hook up one external device to be processed through this audio interface, as well as your headphones if you want to connect your headphones here as well. So here's what it looks like outside the box. This is the microphone input that I was telling you about. This one is for your guitar if you want to connect it up, and then this one over here is for your headphones if you want to do that. It also has the gain knobs on here and a little switch for whether you want the direct monitor on or off. Now, on the back side includes your cable to connect it to your computer. So it does come with the cable, and I have that here in the box. It's just your standard cable with the USB on the other side. This is the important part. This is the part that connects it to your computer. All right, so on the back side of this as well, we have two options here for external speakers. So if you wanted to add in a left and right speaker, you do have that option on the back of this little guy, which is a very, very neat option. So inside the box also comes with some safety instructions as well. So there you have it, folks. This is the Scarlett Solo audio interface. Now, I will be doing a full review of this product as well as the microphone that I got with this. The microphone is the Electro Voice RE20. I was just trying to think of the name there. And I'll be doing a full review of both of those things as soon as I get to play around with them a little bit and tell you guys what I like and think. But if you have one of these, I'd love to know. Go ahead and drop it in the comments below. If you're using something else, let me know as well. I think this is a really great, affordable option. Again, one of the most top-rated ones on Amazon. A little bit pricier than the one that I had before, but not by much. Definitely go with this option first if you are looking for an audio interface. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll put some more videos just like it up on the screen, some more tech reviews. Make sure you also subscribe for more videos just like this one. Again, thanks so much for sticking with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!